Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide in navigating the world of real estate. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, a seasoned investor, or somewhere in between, our channel is here to provide you with valuable advice and tips. We'll tackle everything about the property market, from buying your first home to growing your real estate portfolio. We'll help you make informed decisions every step of the way. So, stay tuned as we delve into today's topic: how to save for a house down payment and reach your goal faster. Before we dive into the saving strategies, let's understand the importance of a down payment. A down payment is the initial upfront portion you pay when purchasing a home. It's your first stake in your new property, and it plays a crucial role in securing a mortgage. You see, the greater the down payment, the less you have to borrow from a lender. This could mean lower monthly payments, potentially better mortgage rates, and less interest paid over time. It also reduces the risk for the lender, which can make you a more attractive borrower. In essence, a larger down payment can give you a stronger negotiating position and can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. It's like a seed you plant today for a financially stable future. Now that we understand the significance of a down payment, let's look at how to start saving for it. Setting a saving goal is the first step in your journey to homeownership. It's like setting the destination on your GPS before embarking on a road trip. Without a clear destination, you might find yourself lost or taking unnecessary detours. The same principle applies to saving for a house down payment. You need to know exactly how much you need to save, which requires a bit of research and planning. Start by determining the type of home you want, its location, and the average price. From there, calculate what a typical down payment would be, usually between 5 to 20% of the home's value. Remember, your saving goal should be both clear and realistic. It's important not to set a goal that's too high, which might discourage you, or too low, which might leave you short. With a clear goal in mind, we can now focus on how to reach it. Creating a budget is a powerful tool in managing your finances and saving for your down payment. It's the blueprint of your financial life, a map that guides you towards your financial goals, and in this case, the down payment for your dream house. So, how do you create a budget? First, you need to understand your income. How much money is coming in every month? Look at your pay stubs, or if you're self-employed, tally up your monthly invoices. Don't forget to include any additional income streams you may have, like a part-time job, dividends, or rental income. Next, track your expenses. Start with your fixed expenses. These are the bills you have to pay every month, like rent or mortgage, utilities, car payments, insurance, and so forth. Then, move to your variable expenses. These are costs that change from month to month, like groceries, entertainment, and travel. An important tip here is to not underestimate your spending. Be honest with yourself, and if you're not sure, overestimate a little. Now subtract your expenses from your income. If you're left with a positive number, that's great. You're living within your means. If the number is negative, don't panic. This is why we're creating a budget, to identify where you can cut costs and increase savings. Next, look at areas where you can reduce spending. Maybe you're eating out too much, or perhaps you can switch to a cheaper phone plan. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your down payment. Finally, allocate a portion of your income towards your down payment savings. The amount will depend on your personal circumstances, but aim to save as much as you can. The more you save now, the faster you'll reach your goal. Remember, a budget is not about restricting your spending, but about making your money work for you. It's about understanding where your money goes and making conscious decisions about your spending. So start creating that budget today and get one step closer to owning your dream house. There are several saving options available that can help you reach your down payment goal faster. One of the most common and straightforward ways to save is through a high-interest savings account. As the name suggests, these accounts offer a higher interest rate than your average savings account. This means your money works harder for you, growing faster over time. Factor in regular deposits and you've got a recipe for a healthy down payment fund. Next up, let's talk about investment funds. These are pools of funds collected from many investors for the purpose of investing in securities such as stocks, bonds, money market instruments, and similar assets. While they come with a higher level of risk, they offer the potential for higher returns. If you're comfortable with taking on a bit more risk and have a longer timeline, investment funds may be a good option. Automatic transfers are another saving option. This is where you set up your bank account to automatically transfer a set amount of money into your savings account every month. It's a set it and forget it method that ensures you're consistently saving without having to think about it. Certificates of deposit, or CDs, are also worth considering. These are time-bound savings accounts with a fixed interest rate. They usually offer higher rates than regular savings accounts, but you'll have to commit to not touching the money for a certain period. If you're confident you won't need the funds for a while, this could be a good option. Lastly, let's not forget about good old-fashioned cash. Stashing away extra cash in a safe place at home can be a tangible and satisfying way to watch your savings grow. Just remember, it's not earning any interest this way. Each of these saving options has its own pros and cons, and what works best for you will depend on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and saving goals. Don't be afraid to mix and match these methods or to switch strategies as your financial situation evolves. Choose the saving options that best suit your financial situation and saving goal. Here are some extra tips that can give your saving a boost. First off, consider reducing your discretionary spending. These are the non-essential items or experiences that we often indulge in, such as dining out, entertainment, and vacations. By curbing these expenses, you can potentially save a significant amount of money that can go straight into your down payment fund. Remember, every bit counts, and small savings can add up to a big amount over time. Second, think about earning extra income. This might mean taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or starting a side hustle. It could be anything from selling handmade crafts online to offering your services as a handyman. The key is to find something you enjoy and that fits into your schedule. The extra income can be directed straight to your saving goal. Thirdly, use windfalls wisely. A windfall is a large, unexpected financial gain, such as an inheritance, a bonus at work, or a tax refund. It's tempting to spend this money on a treat or luxury, but if you're serious about reaching your down payment goal faster, consider putting a large portion, if not all of this money, into your down payment fund. Fourthly, automate your savings. This means setting up your bank account to automatically transfer a certain amount into your saving account each month. This ensures that you're consistently saving and reduces the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Lastly, consider investing to grow your savings. Depending on your risk tolerance and time frame, you might want to consider investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Remember, investing involves risks, including the potential loss of principal, so it's important to do your research or consult with a financial advisor. These tips can make a significant difference in how quickly you reach your down payment goal. Saving for a house down payment may seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies and determination, it's achievable. Today, we've journeyed through the landscape of home buying, specifically focusing on the down payment aspect. We've learned that understanding the importance of a down payment is the first step towards setting a realistic saving goal. Creating a budget is an essential part of this process. It can sometimes feel restricting, but remember, it's a tool that helps you take control of your money. It's like a roadmap guiding you towards your financial goal, and in this case, your dream home. We also explored various saving options, each with its unique advantages. Whether it's high-yield savings accounts, investment portfolios, or retirement funds, the key is to choose the one that best aligns with your financial situation and comfort level. Boosting your savings can also come from unexpected sources. Selling unused items, cutting back on non-essentials, or even taking on a side gig can significantly speed up your progress. It's all about staying focused, committed, and open to opportunities. So remember, saving for a house down payment isn't an insurmountable mountain. It's a series of small, consistent steps leading you to the doorstep of your dream home. And with the tips and strategies we've discussed, that doorstep is closer than you think. Thank you for joining us on House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips on home buying and investing. Happy saving!